Okay, today let me show you how the face recognition core pen connect the lock and the power supply. You see, from the core pen, the third one and the fourth one is COM1 and the NO. These two cable. One cable connect the push, and another cable connect the GND. That's the power supply to the core pen, and from the lock to the power supply. This is the electric lock. It don't have a positive and a negative polar. So any cable, any port, one connect the GND, one connect the NO. Yeah, from the lock, one connect the NO, another cable connect the GND. So this is working. When I call the, can see, I answer here, unlock the door. You see the voice.
The door is open, please come. The door is open, please come.
Like this, yeah.